Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to book a hotel in booking.com. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open the booking.com app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like search, saved, bookings and profile. Stay and search. Then there's a search box where you can search for destination or hotels directly. I'm gonna search this one. Then you have to select the date when you're gonna check in and check out. Now once you select the date, you have to select how many rooms you want and give your information about how many people you're gonna be. Then tap on search. Now they're gonna suggest few hotels similar to it or the same hotel. Now select the hotel. There you can see your check-in and check-out time and the hotel's description. Read the hotel's description, property practices, property policies. Then at the end of the screen you can see you can select rooms. Now all you have to do is select the rooms that are available. Tap on select, then continue tapping reserve. It might take a few seconds, then they're gonna ask you for your personal information. Give your personal information, then tap on next step. Once you do that, on your screen you can see add your payment information there. Then all you have to do is tap on book now. And guys, that's it. That's how you book a hotel on booking.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.